Good morning and welcome to today's section of Market Mantra, and I am Ansu Saw. Headlines: Sensex Nifty closed a 24-month high. Telecom and cement companies rally. And we will also look into Indian and global economy and which all stocks to look out for the day and today's support and resistance for the Nifty. Now on to the big story. Sensex Nifty closed a 24-month high. Strong corporate earnings reported so far and expectations of a generous rate cut by the RBI lifted the Sensex and Nifty to a 2-year high on Tuesday as Indian shares defied the subdued mood in the global markets. The Sensex topped the 20,000 mark for the first time since January 7th of 2011, touching an intraday high of 20,036 before settling at 19,990, up 83 points over its previous close. The Nifty rose 34.35 points to close at 6058, its highest closing since January 5th. After Infosys and TCS, it was Axis Bank's turn to surprise the market with better than expected third quarter numbers. Net interest income rose 17% and net profit by 22%. But more importantly, the bank managed to keep its asset quality stable. Telecom shares Bharti Airtel and Idea Cellular surged on speculation the Indian mobile carrier may raise its voice call tariffs. Idea closed the session up 8.27%, while Bharti, which gave some of its recent gains after the announcement of its CEO stepping down, closed at 4.81%. Shares of cement companies rose over 2% on news of them drawing up plans to question the legality of the cartelization case when it comes out for the hearing before the Competition Appellate Tribunal on 29th January of 2013. Other than front-line companies like TCS, Infosys and Axis Bank, second-line companies like Petronet LNG and Bajaj Finance to have posted a decent set of numbers. On the losing side, stocks like Coal India, Jindal Steel, Sterlite Industries and Sesagova lost anywhere between 1.5% to 0.7%. Stocks to look out for: Bajaj Auto, TTK Prestige, Yes Bank and Shriram Assets are some of the companies whose quarterly results will be published today. Bharti Airtel, India's top mobile phone carrier, said on Tuesday Sanjay Kapoor, its chief executive for India and South Asia, will leave the company on February 28. Gopal Vittal, currently Group Director of Special Projects, will take over the company CEO of India effective from March 1st. Deccan Chronicles Holdings. Trading in share of company will be suspended on the NSE with effect from January 23rd. Den Networks posted consolidated net profit of 171.7 million rupees in October-December. The company's board has approved increasing company's borrowing limit to 20 million rupees from 10 billion rupees. Tata Motors Group's global sales were 98,968 units in December, down 13.88% on year. Economy. RBI may cut 100 BPS in current year 13, expect 5% GDP for FY13. Decision on spectrum pricing in 3 weeks. The government will in next 3 weeks decide on pricing of spectrum that will be sold in the second round of auction beginning on March 11th. Telecom Minister Kapil Sibal said yesterday. The Finance Minister has finalized norms for new bank licenses and has sent its comments to Reserve Bank of India. Sources say the Finance Minister has asked the RBI to delete the clause prohibiting realty and stockbroking firm promoters from applying for bank license. And turning to global market, US, the S&P 500 and Dow Jones indices end up on Tuesday on better than expected retail sales data. while falling Apple shares drag down the Nasdaq Composite Index. Obama refuses to negotiate debt ceiling rise. President Barack Obama on Monday rejected any negotiation with Republicans over most pressing U.S. fiscal issue, refusing to trade cuts in government spending in exchange for raising the borrowing limits. Today's Nifty spot, after consolidating in a narrow range for 1 week, yesterday closed above the trading range at 60.56. Momentum indicators in daily chart are supportive for a bullish move. For the day, index has got support at 60.80 and 59.65 levels. Meanwhile, immediate resistance for the index is seen at 60.80 and 6100. Thank you.